Welcome back into 13 News This Morning. Today we're joined with Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission, and we're getting our hands dirty because it's National Apple Month and we have apples.
Yes, we do. It's time to get in the kitchen. I love it when it starts getting a little fall outside, a little cooler. It's great to get the oven going, and we're going to do apple hand pies today.
Love it.
Such a fun
Not
recipe.
Pumpkin. We're using apples.
We're using apples and combining it with our good Kansas soybean products.
Okay.
I've already made the pastry dough, and when you make this pastry dough, we're using margarine, and you want to use margarine. Look at the label.
Okay.
You want one with it's high in oil content.
Okay.
So this is like 85%.
Oh, wow.
Sometimes you'll see 50, but you want that 85%. The higher, the better.
Is that our soybean product?
That is.
Okay.
It's got the margarine in it.
Okay.
And so made that, and then from that dough, we're going to make 8 of the little hand pies here.
Wow, out of just this dough, we're going to get 8? Oh, that's good.
Well, I made,
Good
yes,
size.
yes. I
Okay.
didn't put them all here because
Sure. Oh, I
we
see.
didn't have room.
Okay.
So, but I divided them into to 8 pieces,
Okay.
and then we're going to roll it till it's about a 6-inch circle here.
Okay.
So there we have that, and then I made this apple filling, and this is just apples, and gosh, there's so many different kinds of apples in the store. Just choose your favorite one. A baking or a cooking apple is probably the best.
Okay.
Put about 2 tablespoons there.
Okay.
You want to make sure we get lots of filling in there, don't
Yes. And we're not going right to the ends, right?
No.
With
Yeah.
it. Okay.
we? And then we're going to fold it over like that.
It's like an apple burrito.
That's right. And then just take a fork, and this seals it, so then none of that
Ooh,
filling
I
is
like
going to
that.
come out.
That's awesome.
And then we're going to put this on our tray here.
Uh-huh.
And then right before it goes in the oven, I've got a little bit of our soy milk here.
Okay.
And we're just going to brush it. And
Oh,
that
okay.
will make it golden brown. It bakes at 400 degrees for about 15, 20 minutes there until it's golden brown.
And everyone's stove is different, so we kind of want to make sure we're checking on
That's
it.
right.
Okay.
And then we sprinkled it with a little powdered sugar there before we serve it. And I opened up that one there so we could kind of see all the filling in it.
Okay, but you
Yeah.
know what? I'm going to put some brown sugar on mine.
Okay, you do that.
Wants to be
You do
different.
that. That'll be fun.
And we're dressed like little apples.
We kind of are, right?
I know.
We're excited.
They
We
hooked
just-
us up with aprons.
We just got our
We're
Kansas
so
Soybean
excited.
Commission apron, so we're really excited.
Because we spill a lot, so this is very well
and by
needed.
we mean Raina and I.
Now, Charlene, where can we get these recipes?
They should go to our website at kansassoybeans.org, or they can call our 800 number 877 KS Soybean.
All right, thank you so much, and we'll be right back after this.